Blockchain technology, once synonymous with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, is now making waves in various industries, including project management. But how exactly does it fit into the realm of managing projects? Let's dive in. At its core, blockchain is an incorruptible digital ledger that securely records transactions across many computers. For project managers, this means a new level of security and efficiency. Imagine a system where every transaction and communication is transparent and tamper-proof. That's the promise of blockchain in project management. The role of a blockchain project manager is to harness these tools, ensuring that every aspect of a project is tracked and secure. From reducing risks to streamlining communication, the benefits are clear. But what does this mean for the future of project management? Security is paramount in blockchain's value proposition. With data securely stored and nearly impervious to hacking, project managers can breathe easier. Cloud storage becomes more robust, and the risk of data mishandling plummets. Efficiency is another hallmark of blockchain project management. By limiting communication to relevant parties and securing it, the project manager can maintain a tight ship, ensuring that everything stays on track without the usual bureaucratic hurdles. Blockchain's immutability is a game changer for managing digital records. No more lost paperwork or tampered records. This is especially crucial for sensitive documents like legal or medical records, where integrity is non-negotiable. And let's talk about digital assets. With blockchain, cross-border payments become seamless and transparent, avoiding hidden fees and currency conversion costs. It's a more efficient way to handle transactions, both internationally and domestically. In conclusion, blockchain is not just a buzzword, it's a transformative force in project management. By offering security, efficiency, and transparency, it's poised to become the standard for how we manage projects in the future. As we embrace this technology, our operations will never be the same again.